Hello boys and girls, welcome to Mrs. Fandu's Math Movies. This is lesson 5-4 for course 3, percents and equations. So our objective here is to use equations to solve problems involving percent. In our previous section we had done proportions. Now we're going to be doing the same types of problems, different method though, okay? Now our key concept, and basically if you know this, that the part that we're looking for is equal to the percent times the whole, that if you can remember that, that's basically going to get you through anything you need to do because you know enough about algebra to solve for any missing number. We do have 3 equations here that we can look at, variations of the same equation with different parts missing. So if you're trying to find the part, what is 20% of 25? Well, what is n? Is equals 20%, I write as a decimal, of means times in this situation 25. So n equals 0.20 times 25. Find the part, or finding the whole. 5 is 20% of what number? So 5 is 20%, 0.20 of times w, what number? Again, different parts are missing, different pieces of the equation. Finally, finding the percent. 5 is what percent of 25? So 5 equals the percent times 25. Okay, again, any of these 3 you can use algebra to solve. So again, if you memorize this or remember this, all of these fall into place by parts that are missing and then using algebra. Okay, I already have these completed, so if I start going too fast for you, you might want to go ahead and pause until you catch up. Find 23% of 234. So again, we go back to our equation. Part is equal to percent times whole. So n is equal to 0.23 times 234. In this case, we just simplify. There's no algebra truly involved here because the variable is isolated. We get 53.82. So that tells us that 23% of 234 is 53.82. The next one, finding a whole amount. 12 is 8% of what number? So we write our equation. 12 equals 0.08 times some number, w. When we simplify a little bit, we get 12 equals 0.08w. Then we want to divide each side by 0.08 so that we can isolate the w, or the variable, and w equals 150. So 12 is 8% of 150. Okay, those are the only 2 examples we have for this particular section. There are a few quick checks, so please have those completed. Bring in any questions you might have, and we will go from there. See you soon. Bye now.